Hurdle number one, attorney review. What is attorney review? Attorney review is when we send the contract once you both sign it, and when I say you, I mean the buyer and the seller. Okay, so we'll now send the contract over to your attorney. They're going to review it with you. They're going to make sure the contract is fair for you, and certainly the buyer's attorney will be doing the same thing. Now, during this process, both attorneys are going to make minor verbiage changes to the contract. We see it every single day, so that's nothing to be alarmed about, okay? I also refer to the attorney review period as the hold your breath period. Now, you as the seller, you're holding your breath, praying that this buyer doesn't wake up tomorrow with buyer's remorse. Or praying that maybe your neighbor's house doesn't come on the market. It might be a little bit better than yours and priced a little bit cheaper, and the buyer jumps over to those guys. So that's why you may be holding your breath. The buyer, however, they're turning blue as well. Because from their perspective, they're holding their breath, hoping that you don't wake up tomorrow and decide not to sell the property. They're hoping that maybe some other buyer doesn't come in and beat their offer, then allowing you to cancel their contract. So again, a lot can happen in attorney review. 9 times out of 10, it's just a couple of verbiage exchanges between attorneys, but you both do have rights to cancel this thing within the next 3 business days. Of course, we rarely ever see that because we are all, at the end of the day, working toward the same goal. They want to buy your house, you want to sell your house and move on. So now that we'll be through the attorney review period, really the next 2 stages of the process here are the buyer's mortgage application, and a lot of times that coincides the same time with the home inspection. So we'll cover those 2 on the next section.